Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to restore all trash posts in WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your WordPress site in your browser. After you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. From here, it is time to move to the Posts section. Look for the section on your dashboard that leads you to Posts. The Posts section is where all your blog entries and articles are managed, including those that have been sent to the trash. Within the Posts section, you will notice a link or a tab labeled Trash along the top. Clicking on this trash link will display all the posts that you have previously deleted or moved to the trash. Take your time to review the list and verify that it contains the posts you wish to restore. Now that you are viewing the trashed posts, the next step is to select the post you want to recover. Use your mouse to highlight all of the deleted posts within this interface. With your desired post now selected, locate the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to see the list of available actions, which include restoration options, among others. From the options displayed in the Bulk Actions menu, choose the Restore option. This instructs WordPress that you wish to reverse the delete action for the selected posts. Once you have chosen the Restore function, it is important to finalize your selection. The final step involves look for the Apply button near the Bulk Actions drop-down menu and click on it. Doing so will trigger the restoration process, and WordPress will begin to restore all of your selected posts from the trash. And that's it. So that is how you can restore all trash posts in WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.